So today's video regarding HP DeskJet 3700 series all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning and how to do copy. Now the first thing is to take your Android or smartphone and download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you do that, then we go on the printer display panel and we have to switch on the Wi-Fi direct light. Then we go on the smartphone. Now open the Wi-Fi of your Android device and look for the printer's name DeskJet 3700. It will ask a password. Enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and click on the connect. Once it is connected, we open the HP Smart app. We have to add the printer here, so click on the plus button on the top. Now you will see this printer is available here, so click on it. It will show up in the screen. That means we are ready to do wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the scanning. Click on the printer scan option. Insert a page here facing upward and click on the scan. So it will transfer the scan to your phone wirelessly, and you can add more copies if you want. You can save it as a single document. And in case you feel any problem in the scanning, you can just adjust from here. You can select the area you want to keep and then you can save it. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. Click on the print document section and look for the document you want to print and click on print here. It will give you an option where you can adjust the number of copies you want to print and the page range, and then give a command and just wait for the print to appear here. So this way we can do the print, wireless print. Now I'll show you how to do the copy. To do a copy, again we need to place a page here facing upward and select black or color option. Click it once and it will take it in, it will scan it and copy. So you can see it has scanned it. Now it's going to print. So here we can see the copy is to be done as well. So that's the way we can use this printer wirelessly. Thanks for watching.